If you are a beginner YouTube content creator, and you want to use copyright-free music, YouTube provides a lot of copyright-free music in its YouTube audio library, and you can use it without being subject to copyright infringement. Being a content creator, of course, you have to be careful in choosing the music sound you want to use. If you choose the wrong music sound, your YouTube channel will not be monetized. So now you don't need to be confused about choosing copyright-free music audio. Continue to follow the discussion on this channel. But before continuing to the discussion, please like and subscribe to this channel first. First of all, log into your YouTube channel account, and then click on your profile. Then click on the YouTube Studio menu, and a page like this will open. Then scroll this section and find the Audio Collection menu. Wait a moment and then the copyright-free YouTube audio collection page will open. You can choose audio here according to the music genre you like. There are so many music genres from pop, rock, techno and cinematic. You can also listen to the audio you want to use first. After finding the audio you like, swipe to the right and click download. Well, that's a simple way to find copyright-free music that has been provided by YouTube. Okay, good luck and good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.